So the next question is there on your screen. I think these questions were part of the daily test that was held last week. P plus Q means P is the sister of Q. P ampersand Q means P is the wife of Q. P dollar Q means P is the son of Q. P percentage Q means P is the mother of Q. What will come in the place of question mark if it is provided that J is the daughter-in-law of T in the expression as follows? So, see, this is on coded inequalities. So, what is given here, or it's like coded blood relations, I would say. You cannot say inequalities, no, because you have, it's blood relations, basically blood relations with coding, with symbols. So, what do you solve, what do you do here? See, you have, they have given J percentage B. What does J percentage B means? J is the mother of B. So, J percentage B means J is mother of B. So, let us draw the diagram. You have J, you have B, and J is the mother of B and J is a female. Okay, I have written that. Now, you have to find out what is the relationship between B and K. Okay, they have also given that K dollar T. So, K dollar T means what? K is the son of T. So, K is the son of T. Now, in the question they have also given one more information. J is the daughter-in-law of T. J is the daughter-in-law of T means basically T, okay, has a child. And it is given that J is a female. See, we know that J is a female. It is also given that J is the daughter-in-law of T means this T has a son whose wife is going to be J. Correct? That's what it means. See, T has a son whose wife is going to be J. Next, they have given that K is the son of T. So, if they give K is the son of T, which has to be K? So, obviously has to be K, because these are the only people that is given. Now, the question is, what is the relationship between B and K? What can be the relationship between B and K? So, K has to be here, and what will be the relationship between B and K? K has to be the father of B, or B is the son of K. Correct? So, here you have K, B here, question mark, K. Correct? I can say that B is the son of K. So, which does that symbol represent here? It is dollar. So, B dollar K, or B is the son of K, option D. Okay, I'll explain it once again. See, what have they given here? When this statement is completed, we should be able to say that J is the daughter-in-law of T. So, what does that mean? T has a son who is married to J. Now, the first statement, J percentage B, means that J is the mother of B. That is there here already. Next, there is K dollar T. So, K dollar T means I can say that K is the son of T. K dollar T means K is the son of T. So, basically K and J has to be married. Now, you have to find out the relationship between B and K. Now, B definitely has to be K's child. Correct? So, only these many people are given. So, B has to be K's child. Now, if you look at the options, child means they have only son here. So, B has to be the son of K.
If K is the cousin of B, B is the father of Q, P, Q are couple, and Q is the mother of M, then how is P related to K? Now, K is the cousin of B. What do you mean by cousin? Cousin is what? Your parents' siblings' child is your cousin. We have discussed this in our blood relations video, right? So, K is the cousin of B. B is the father of Q, right? So, K is the cousin of B means B's parents' siblings' child is K, or K's parents' siblings' child is B. Yeah, so the relationship between K and B can be drawn this way, right? K's parent, mother or father, it could be either, right? Their sibling, again mother, their brother or sister, their child is B. You see, K and B are cousins. B's parent, mother or father, their sibling, brother or sister, their child. Again, K could be male or female, B also could be male or female as of now, right? B is the father of Q. B is the father of Q. So, B is a male person and he is the father of Q. P and Q are couple. P and Q are couple means what? P and Q are married to each other. So, that's why we use a double-headed arrow, right? P between P and Q. And Q is the mother of M. Q is the mother. If Q is the mother, obviously Q is female. So, P becomes male. Husband and wife, right? Q is the mother of M. Q is the mother of M. You're able to follow? So K is the cousin of B, B is the father of Q, Q and P makes a married couple, and since Q is the mother of M, P becomes the father of M. Yeah. How is P related to K? What is the relationship between P and K? Between P and K. What is the relationship between P and K? How is P related to K? How is P related to K? How is P related to K? Understand, the first thing that you have to check is how is P related to K? P is male. So any option which is a female relation should be eliminated. But here if you see, all the options, uncle, son, son-in-law, brother are all male relations. So which is fine. You're getting it? How is P related to K? I know P gender is male. So answer should be a male relationship. And the generation gap between K and P is 1. See, next generation of K, right? K is cousins. K is cousins. K is cousins. K is cousins son-in-law. That's the relation, right? K is cousin son-in-law. K is cousin son-in-law. So your cousin son-in-law is like your son-in-law, but it's in the next generation. So can P be the uncle? P cannot be the uncle. Can P be the brother? Cannot be the brother. Is P the son? No way. He says son or son-in-law. Is P the son of K? No, not at all. Could be the son of K. That's possible. I mean, maybe P comes this side and K is the son of P, but that's not definite. And son-in-law is also not definite because P is the son-in-law for B and B's wife. Yeah, in one way, P is also the son-in-law of K. I mean, your sibling, your cousin's son-in-law is like your son-in-law. It's like your son-in-law, but is that the definite relationship? No. He's saying, how is P related to K? P's relationship with K cannot be established. Cannot be established as in, the relationship is not very direct, right? It's indirect. It's like P is the son-in-law of K's cousin. So son is definitely wrong. Son-in-law is like an approximate relationship. So I think none of this sounds more appropriate here. Option D. None of these. Yeah. You cannot conclude that P is the son-in-law of K. P is like the son-in-law of K, but P is not the son-in-law of K.